Question 5. In this part of the question, you will be assessed on the quality of your organisation, communication and accuracy in writing. So out of this question, 5 marks are for the maths and 2 marks is how clearly you lay your answer out. Right, a rail card for 16 to 25-year-olds costs £30 a year and you get 1/3 off all your rail travel. So Neris and Aleri are sisters. Neris is 22 and Aleri is 27. So because the rail card is for 16 to 25, Neris is entitled to it, but Aleri is not because she's too old. The 2 sisters live in Holyhead and their aunt lives in Milford Haven. They travel by train to visit their aunt 3 times a year. Neris buys a 16 to 25 rail card to use for these journeys, and they buy single rail tickets for each journey. The cost of a rail ticket from Holyhead to Milford Haven is £84.50, and the journey home is also £84.50. So if we look at the Aleri first, well, it says in a year how much less does Neris pay than the Aleri for the journeys to Milford Haven and back. So if we look at Aleri first, Aleri is the full amount. So Aleri is going 3 times a year, and every time, so because Aleri is travelling 3 times a year, alright, and there's 2 journeys on each time, on each trip, because she's got to go. Alright, so there's 2 journeys on each trip, which means there's 6 journeys in total. Okay, so she's doing 6 journeys in total, and each journey is £84.50. So it costs Aleri £84.50 multiplied by 6. Alright, it's a calculator paper. So £84.50 multiplied by 6 is equal to £507. So it'll cost Aleri £507. Neris gets 1/3 off. So Neris gets 1/3 off. She's doing the same amount of journeys. So Neris, her discount is 1/3 of 507. To find a fraction of a quantity, you divide by the bottom times by the top. So it's 507 divided by 3 times 1. So Neris gets £169 off. Alright, so Neris pays, just for me to think about it, Neris pays 507, take away that £169. So for her 6 journeys, she pays 507, take away 169, which is 338. But, okay, you've got to remember she also pays for a card, alright? But she pays £30 for a card. So her total amount she pays is 338 plus 30, which is 368. Alright, so how much does Neris pay less than Aleri? So there's a few ways of working this out. We can either do Aleri's cost, take away Neris's, or because we know she gets a discount of 169, but she pays off £30 extra for the card. So you could do straight away her discount, take away the cost of the card. So the answer to this one is £139. So Aleri spends £139 more, or Neris spends £139 less.